Welcome to my channel. Hello everyone. For the continuation of such videos, you can subscribe to the channel and open the notification bell to be informed about new content. You see 3 wild boars brutally kill 1 leopard. Did you know that wild boars are so dangerous? You will learn at the end of the video. So how do you say that one dog defeats the leopard in this way? How can a predator that is many times stronger than the dog fall into a situation of this shape? This is called a paralysis bite. The video was shot with an amateur camera. How the brave dog may have overtaken the leopard must have bitten the paralyzed nerve located in the leopard's skull. The leopard remains motionless for a while. Usually, the leopard wins in these encounters, but there is no winner in this encounter. Watch the video carefully, and if you look at the point where the dog bites, you will understand. In this clip, a sheepdog chases wild boars that run away in a herd. A pack of protective dogs attacks every creature that poses a threat around the herd, just like you can see in the images. The images were taken with the help of a drone. In this clip, wild boars attack people, and when wild boars attack a person, it is very difficult to discourage him. Usually such attacks end in injury and death. He attacks and kidnaps other people, but the girl wants to save her father. When other people run away, the girl is left alone, and the wild boar savagely attacks the girl. When a wild boar hit her with her nose, it can easily break the bones of a person. By subscribing to the channel, you can like the video and open the notification bell to know about new videos to see you in the next content.